Hey up, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put the bookshelf together. The struggle was real. Now let me just do this intro, love.
Okay.
Hi guys, if you're new to my... Okay guys, so this is what happens when I try and choose a story for the kids. Sit down and think, oh, which one should I go for? So then we just about to choose one and then all the books come tumbling out, so I decided to buy a book stand. So we've got the book stand I'm going to try and put together. Well, not try, I am going to put it together. Yeah, so let's get it set up. Right, I'm confused because, let's see if it'll flow. It says number 5. Number 1, you put 5 to 4. And there's only this, that's number 3. And this one's number 3. As I'm going to use this as 5. Oh yeah, that's it. It says 3 there. There's 2 that say 3. I think they've sent me the wrong stuff out because, like I said, that is saying 3, and it's got a hole there and there. This one doesn't have a hole, and on the picture, like, there's no hole, so I need number 5. I don't know if to treat this one as 5 or this one. I'm gonna just like what? Like this one ain't got a hole, but these have got 2 holes there. It's not good, is it? Like. Right, okay. I'm going to treat that one as 5 because you've got to put that one in. Oh, I don't know. So I put the book thing the wrong way round. Like this is meant to be at the front, at the back. I'm just like, jeez. Gonna have to take all this off again now.
One eternity later.
Moment of truth. Let's see if I've done it properly now. Right, help me stand it up, on it. Oh yeah, that looks better. Hang on. Still a bit bright. Why is it so bright? I don't know. Oh, battery's flashing. But let's put a book in there. Let's have a look. Yes. Wow. And then the jaws.
No, that's one more. He have one more screwdriver.
Oh, have we got one more screw? Let's have a look. Alright, okay. It's alright. Yeah, oh, it was tough though. I can't believe I put this on the wrong way around. But I think that's probably with the MS. I'm blaming MS for that one. Right, okay. I'll tidy it up a bit and then put books on it. Finally finished. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.